In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make simple animation in Krita. So to start, you want to go to settings and Dockers, and then you want to turn on the animation here. It should be over here. Hold on. It's the animation timeline. Turn it on. Now here, I'm just going to create a shape really quickly. I'm just going to choose a circle, and I'll make sure to choose a nice color. Let's choose blue here, the blue color, then make it to blue, and then I'm just gonna decrease the size a little bit, and then hold on. Okay, let's just create a circle like this. Let's just adjust it, make it like on the surface. Then you wanna go right here, right click, and then you wanna duplicate and create duplicate frame. Then here you wanna click on the second keyframe, and then you wanna right click and then paste keyframes. Now you wanna click on the transform option, and then you wanna change the position of this circle. Let's move it to the right a little bit, and then go back here, right click and paste keyframe. Now you wanna change the position again. Let's move it more to the right, and then again right click, paste keyframe. Let's change it more here, and then right click, paste keyframe, and then let's move it more, right click, paste, let's move it, paste keyframe, and then let's move it more, paste, then let's have this one, paste keyframe. This is the last one. Let's just paste keyframe. Now you wanna click on this last one, and you wanna set end time, and click on the first one, and then set start time. And now if you play it, click on the play button. As you can see, this is an animation right here. It's going too fast, so I think you should be able to adjust the speed here so you can see it at a slower rate. Let me slow it up a little bit. See here, this is how you make the animation. And that's how you create a simple animation in Krita. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.